These are the northeast elevators at 300 Galleria Officentre in Southfield, Michigan. I wonder what these are. Actually, I think there's a Westinghouse. I think we're getting this one. Yep. And here it is. Ooh, it's scenic. Awesome. Let's go to 5. Yep, these are Westinghouses. And here we are up at 5. Wow, this is cool. This is a really nice elevator. Is that a dinner bell I heard? As we all know, when Westinghouse wants to close, it will try to close until I hold the door open button. And then immediately when I let go, it will. You can also see there's another modernized elevator. Scenic one across there as well, but there it actually says Westinghouse. There's the indicator. And there's your classic Westinghouse interlock. And it has bumpers. Again, when that Westie wants to close, that Westie is going to close. Unless I prevent it from closing. Watch. Alright, go, be free. Now can we get this one? Well, that one on the left is not working, so that will be it.